I'm Jonica. I am a member of the Dual Enrollment Team at Prince George's Community College. Thank you for checking out our page, which will highlight the who, what, when, why, where, and how of college and high school. We have so much in store for you, so make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss all of this good and free information. Today's topic is frequently asked questions. Let's check out some terms.
I think it's important we define some terms. First, what is a question? Merrian Webster defines a question as an act or instance of asking or a form of inquiry. Asking questions are important because they expand our knowledge, make things clear, and help us to connect dots to previous knowledge with this new knowledge. Who is the Dual Enrollment Team? The Dual Enrollment Team at Prince George's Community College are staff who work specifically with middle and high school students. We are a diverse and vast team of individuals employed by the college. Most of our team are coast coordinators who work in specific PGCPS high schools. We also have recruiters who support other schools and a home team which outreaches with private, out-of-county, and homeschool students and works behind the scenes. So why are we defining the term question and talking about the staff? College and high school is broad and it can be confusing. It can be overwhelming, it's new, and it can feel like taking a foreign language. We get it. And we are here to help. Because we understand that we often need and want help, but we may not know how to ask, or we don't want to ask, or we feel self-conscious about our question. The Dual Enrollment Team is excited to share that we have a Q&A site. You can access this site from our website, www.pgcc.edu/go/high school. But first, there is a wealth of information on our high school page. If you're not finding the answer to your question, you can do one of two things: contact a representative or view our Q&A site. When on the Q&A site, you can complete a quick view by looking under popular questions, recent questions, or the category list. If none of your questions are there, use the search option in the yellow banner bar to type a word or a question. For instance, let's type dual enrollment, then press enter using your keyboard or click the double arrows to the right of the question. The next page will list all of the questions that have been asked with those specific terms in the question. You can scan the list to see if any of your questions are there, or you can ask your own. Easy breezy. We hope you find these resources helpful. Thank you for watching College and High School. If you like what you saw or heard, the best gifts really are free. Go ahead and click subscribe, like, comment, and share our channel. Until next time.